Gather round, it's Christmas cheer. Our Christmas friends are all right here. With songs and smiles, they spread the glow. Come along, it's time to go. Santa Claus rides through the night, delivering gifts with all his might. Mrs. Claus baked treats so sweet. Her cookies are the best Christmas treat. Jolly the Gingerbread Man loves to bake. He makes treats for everyone to take. Tinsel the elf adds sparkle and shine, decorating the tree with lights that twine. Santa, Mrs. Claus, Jolly and Tinsel too, bringing Christmas magic to me and you. With presents, treats, and sparkling light, they make our holiday merry and bright. Bells the elf makes toys so quick, with a hammer and a gentle flick. Frosty the Snow Fox is light on his feet, guiding Santa's sleigh through the frosty sleet. Rudy the Reindeer shines his bright red nose, lighting up the way wherever he goes. Luna the reindeer glows with her light, leading Santa's sleigh through the starry night. Bells, Frosty, Rudy, and Luna in flight, helping Santa on his magical night. Through snowy skies they guide the way, making sure it's a perfect Christmas day. Twinkle the Star shines high above, lighting the world with Christmas love. Piney the tree tells stories so true of Christmas traditions for me and you. Holly the fairy makes snowflakes fly, sprinkling winter magic as she flies by. Captain Coco brings warmth and cheer, hot chocolate for kids far and near. Ho-ho! Twinkle, Piney, Holly, and Coco so sweet, making Christmas time feel complete. With love, snowflakes, and cocoa delight, they bring the magic of a wintry night. Crispin the elf makes candy canes bright, with peppermint swirls, they're a joyful sight. Snowflake the polar bear loves to play in the snowy fields on Christmas Day. Chilly the snowman is jolly and round, he loves to dance as snow falls down. Northwind the Ice Dragon brings winter's breeze, whistling through the forest, freezing trees. Crispin, Snowflake, Chilly, and Northwind's freeze, bringing holiday joy and frosty ease. With candy, snow, and dragon's flight, they fill our hearts with Christmas light. Spark the reindeer trainer trains them all, ensuring they're ready when Santa calls. Nutty the nutcracker stands tall and brave, guarding the Christmas cheer we crave. Pepper the fairy sprinkles candy cane dust, bringing sweet magic, it's a must. Icicle the fairy decorates with ice, her frosty touch makes everything nice. Spark, Nutty, Pepper, and an icicle so bright, they make sure Christmas is just right. With courage sweet and winter charm, they keep the season full of warm. Toby the toy maker builds with care, crafting toys for kids everywhere. Starlight the unicorn flies through the night, leaving trails of sparkle so bright. Glacier the penguin slides with glee, dancing on ice for all to see. Piper the caroler sings loud and clear, spreading joy with songs we hold dear. Jingle the bell rings out so sweet, calling everyone to dance with their feet. Toby, Starlight, Glacier, Piper, and Jingle too filling Christmas with joy for me and you. With toys, songs, and sparkle in the air, they spread holiday magic everywhere. Now you've met the Christmas crew. Together they bring joy to you. With every friend, the fun won't end. Let's celebrate, let's pretend.